So I had a feeling there was going to be a pullback with the silver. I mean, it was obvious. I'm not trying to say I'm some kind of brain surgeon or something, but it was quite obvious. However, I'm going to say I don't think this is the last we're going to see of the 18s. I believe there's going to be another stair step upwards, another stair upwards. I don't know why I always get these little pop-ups in the bottom of my screen. But I wanted to talk about the dollar here. I've said this in many videos before. Just thinking about going to grab that silver coin right there. But I've said this in many videos before. You know, a lot of people, the naysayers, I don't want people to get disillusioned with silver. The naysayers, oh, you can't buy things with silver and a shit hit the fan situation. Okay, my answer to that is okay. Let's say a person who is selling something has an option to either receive cash or silver for their goods. What do you think they're going to take? I mean, they see the dollars floating around in the air outside because people got rid of them. They're no good anymore during a shit hit the fan. Let's just say. I mean, you can't even wipe your ass with them because you're going to get paper cuts with them. But my point is, you have an option: worthless dollar or silver. Folks, silver goes back to the Old Testament of the Bible. You're not going to find this. You're not going to find this anywhere in the Bible, Old or New Testament. Nowhere. I'll tell you what I'd take if I had a choice between cash and silver. It'd definitely be silver and gold. So you don't have a chance with silver. Well, as you saw yesterday, it got up to, I believe, $18.70. Now, for you folks who purchased at 14 and change, at that point, you would have made a few dollars on your silver, actually. There is a chance. And that just proves it. Yes, it's going to go back down. Stock market and whatnot. It's going to drive it back up with this new coronavirus that they got going around. By the way, I made a video about the coronavirus. And that I believed that shit was allowed to be led into this country. You have a chance with the precious metals, with the silver and gold. You really do. I mean, gosh, I remember when gold was 1,400 and I'm just rounding numbers, 14,500. Now it's 16. Silver, I remember it was 14 and change. As we sit here, right here, it's 1804 as we sit. Yes, it's going down. I see that. But it got up there. And it got up there and stayed up there for a while. It wasn't a quick spike that lasted for a minute. It stayed up there long enough for you to run down to the local coin shop and profit if you wanted to do so. I hope none of you did it, by the way, because it's going to go significantly higher. I got to run. Take care.